In this video, I will show you how to fix League of Legends Reconnect bug. So before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to run League of Legends as an administrator. So you'll need to right click on League of Legends and then select Properties. Now under this, head over into the Compatibility section and then check Run this program as an administrator and then click on the Apply button at the bottom right of the pop-up and then click OK and then restart the game. Now if this doesn't work, another thing you can do is to go ahead and update network drivers. So to do this, you need to click on WinX on your keyboard and then select Device Manager. On Device Manager, go ahead and expand Network Adapters. So go ahead and look for a Network Adapters and click on that Expand button at the left side of Network Adapters. So in here, go ahead and right-click your main network device and then select Update Driver. So right-click on your main network device and then select Update Driver. Now after this, you need to choose Search Automatically for drivers and then restart your PC after the update. Now if this doesn't work as well, the last option that you have is to change your DNS settings. So to do this, you need to open Control Panel. And then in here, go ahead and select Network and Internet. And then click on Network and Sharing Center. And then click on Change Adapter Settings at the left side of your screen. And then in here, go ahead and right-click on the active connection that you have and select Properties. So in this pop-up, go ahead and select IPv4 and then click on that Properties button. So click on IPv4 and click on Properties. In here, go ahead and choose Use the following DNS server address. So set the preferred DNS to 8.8.8 and then set the alternate DNS to 8.8.4.4. Now after this, you need to click on that OK button and restart your connection. And that's basically how you can fix League of Legends Reconnect bug. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.